Okay, I have the random YouTube comment picker up, and I've got my link pasted into the little search bar right here. So now I click get YouTube comments, and that's going to give me my winner for the March giveaway, okay? Here we go. All right, start raffle and pick random winner. Start. And the winner is Vonda Strausser. Hi, that's some beautiful yarn. Those kits are cute. I've done those type before. My favorite shows to watch are true crime, horror, and fiction crime shows. Thanks. Take care. Yay! Congratulations, Vonda. Okay, so down in the description box is the link to my email, or the link, bleh. In the description box is my email address. Shoot me an email as fast as you can, and I will get this big old box out to you. Congratulations, Vonda. And to anyone else, stay tuned because I am going to have another giveaway with probably just as much yarn, okay? Because I have a lot to get rid of. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.